home page, the about us, and this general overseer. This is sermon, bookstore, the programs, registration, voice, contact us, and then live service. So when you go down this way, you see event, we set events over here. Then you see a battles. There's a battles button. When you click it, takes you to battles. This is more like a session for weekly sermon. Why this one is more sermons. And this is contact us, get in touch. When you do this, you see it has this feature. And here is all about the books, the latest books. They will all be displaying here. And this place is called the footer. And you can click here to take you back to the top. So when you click this, you can take it next to the next, and you click back, it takes you back to what we have. So first, before you can edit anything here, you have to log in. You have to be an admin, as I said. But before you have access to it, you must log in with your username and password. And to do that, just click on it. Once you visit the site, you click on it, you put slash user, and you click enter. So when you visit slash user, it takes you to this page. So this page it will show you login, username, password. So I already have my username and password. So all I'll do is to click login. So you can see on the home page you have this session. You can see the session. You can see it. So on this session we have content, add content, structure, appearance, extend, configuration, people, reports, help. So what we'll do first is that we have to ensure you can register someone. Let's say someone, a new member comes in and you want to make that person admin. You want to add a new admin. All you need to do is to go here, go to people, and you click on add new people. So let's click on people and see. So people, you click on add new user. So you can see it's just one user. I've not created other members yet. So all we'll do is we'll click add user. So once you've created, you always see the list here. So add new user, enter the person's email. Assuming this is it, enter, use my username, enter my password. It must be strong. Oh, this is, I don't know. Let me put the password that is okay. So say strong. So you type the same password here. You click on active. It should be active. The person should be active. Then you want to make the person admin or not. So you click on admin. Check here. And the user, should the user get a notification after you've registered the user? If yes, you click it. Enter the picture of the user, and then all these parts, I think they are defaults. You don't really need to enter anything here. And you click create new user. So once you do that, it will create the user straight into the system. Now the user will get a notification and can going forward log in, access other aspects of the site. So now what we want to do is want to see how can I even change my password, or someone has sent me password and I want to change it, and I want to maybe edit my profile. So what you do when you look at this part, you have here, you see the icon, person icon, and you click on it. You can see view profile, edit profile, and log out. So when you want to log out to this, how you're going to log out, just click here, come to this place, and you log out. But now what you need to do is majorly click edit user. So because we want to edit my own user, which is the super admin user. So what I need to do is enter my password, email, um, yeah, username. Once I'm done with my username, I enter password, confirm password. So if I want to change my password, I just come over here, click enter a new password, and then I'm fine. There's active. If I want to change my picture, I do the same thing. More like you're creating a new user, but now you're just editing it. with a different record. So you click save. Once you do that, automatically it will show you um, that the password is saved. Please do not disregard this notification. It's more of a settings notification. So let's see on submissions. So submissions majorly to just show you for that particular user what has this person done on the website. So we can actually use this to track who is doing what, when, and how. So to just show you the IP, but you really do not need to work on this for now. There are no submissions yet. So what I'll do is I'll go back to user. So from here, I know that I can edit my user, I can view user, and I can also log out. So when I'm done with editing, all I need to do is what? To click and click log out. So I go over here, it's coming up, and then I click log out. Okay, so it comes to the user session. If I don't need this to come up, it's here. You can see it. So if I don't need that, just come over here and click what? Log out. So when I log out, it takes me out of the admin session. You can see now at this point you will no longer see that administrative bar on it. So let's just wait while it loads. And the next session we'll be talking more on how to edit all the pages. That will be critical. Edit the pages and edit homepage. I think we should start from homepage so you see how homepage is done from the beginning down to the end. Thank you very much for your time.